So in physics chapter, this table is very important for 10th standard. Now let us see some components are given and symbols are given, and here circuit diagrams are here. Now first circuit diagram you see, now symbols here mentioned in the circuit diagram. First one, a schematic diagram of an electric circuit. What is here? A schematic diagram of an electric circuit. So here is a symbol of battery, here negative sign, here positive sign. Okay, you know that in a battery there are two poles, one is positive pole, another one is negative pole. So current start from positive pole and current passes here, and this is a bulb, this is a symbol of bulb. Then next symbol is ammeter. Ammeter, you know that to measure the current in a circuit, for that purpose we have to use the ammeter. Now ammeter positive point, positive one wire is connected to ammeter positive terminal, and ammeter negative terminal, from the negative terminal to this key, plug key, here is a symbol of plug key, that wire is connected to one end of a plug key, and another end of a plug key is connected to negative terminal of a battery. So this is a circuit diagram, and here symbols are used here. So like this, here in this table so many symbols and components are given here, components, symbols. So let us see here. Now this is a circuit diagram of electric circuit for studying Ohm's law. So this we will see in the next video. So here resistance, this is the symbol of resistance, and then this is the voltmeter, all the voltmeters here, ammeter and key, switch key. This is said to be a closed plug key. Okay, now serial number 1. Next we will see serial number 1, components and electric cell. An electric cell, this is a electric cell symbol. Okay, plus and minus, here two terminals are here. Second one is a battery or a combination of cells. It may be a battery, this is a symbol of battery, or combination of cells means combining many cells. This is said to be a symbol of a combination of cells or a battery. Next, plug key or switch, open. Now here this is a plug key, this is open switch, that means here not connected, that means there is no connection between these 2 points. Okay. Next, fourth point is plug key or switch closed, here one dot is given. So you see in this circuit, here is a plug key, that means here is a connection. Closed, it is work like a key, it is a closed circuit. So this is a closed switch or plug key. Okay. Now this is a open switch, this one is a closed switch. Next point, we will go to next point. So here is a fifth point, a wire joint, that means here this wire is connected to this horizontal wire, that means here is a joint. So this is a symbol of a wire joint. So next point is wires crossing without joining, that means here this wire is crossing here, okay, over this wire, horizontal wire, that means here no connection. So this symbol is said to be crossing wire. Okay. Now next point, we will see electric bulb. Yeah, these two symbols are electric bulb. Next, a resistor of resistance R, this is the symbol of a resistor of resistance R, resistor symbol. Okay. Then next point is variable resistance. Variable resistance is nothing but changing the resistance. Okay, resistance is changing, or we can say that is a rheostat. In rheostat we can change the resistance values. Okay, so this is a symbol of a variable resistance or rheostat. Only this is only a symbol of resistance. Okay. Next, this is the symbol of ammeter. Ammeter, this is the to measure the current in a circuit. So ammeter. So this is the symbol of ammeter. Next, we will go to voltmeter. Okay, voltmeter. This is the symbol of voltmeter. So here is circuit diagrams of series connection. Resistors are connected in series, and here is resistors are connected in parallel. Now you see this first circuit diagram, this is a resistors in series. So here R1, R2, R3, here resistors are connected in series. So across these resistors here voltmeter is connected. Okay. Now this is a circuit diagram of series connection. Now this is a circuit diagram of parallel connection. Here these three resistors are in parallel to each other. Again here voltmeter is parallel. So this type of connection is said to be a parallel connection. Okay, and this one is the series connection. Thank you. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.